Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. Yeah, actually, this week we were busy with some economic news. But for now, I think we're done with those crazy high like CPI and FOMC. We left with very few, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening? Today we started with EURUSD. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market is pushing to the upside. We are on an uptrend. Remember, yesterday FOMC, they did not increase the rates, which is good, but the statement was not actually good. The conference was not actually good. As they said, there is still enough room that they're going to increase those rates maybe July or September. You see, that's what made the market not to go crazy. Actually, instead of the market pushing up as they paused the rates, then the market did the opposite. So we have to be careful and see what's really happening. So on EURUSD, we can easily see that the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. Where we are now, we can easily see that the market touched our resistance. Now is pushing lower. So actually in few minutes or few hours, once the market touches this area, we will have a very nice buy. We're going to have a very nice buy as the market is going straight to our support area. I believe the market is going to touch this area before we see another push. I'm expecting to see a continuation of this bullish move. So the market might create something like this and push into the upside. Remember, 2:30 today, I think we have something. We will check the economic news. We have also something today, so we don't actually have to say there is nothing, but there is something, even if it's not going to be as crazy as FOMC, but there is something that we can check as economic news. GBPUSD, the market is still pushing to the upside. So actually pound is very strong because we can see the other pairs are actually bleeding, but at least GBP is still very strong, and you can see the market is not really pushing lower. So the dollar is not really strong that much against the pound. So what's really happening is, yes, we are still on that uptrend. As we can see our support area is clear, but now the market is continuing with that bullish momentum. And what I like is the market gave us a higher high, higher low, breakout, higher high. So we're waiting for a higher low before we push the upside. Actually, where the market is going to respect this previous resistance, now it's going to be that support before we push to the upside. Do you see that? I hope you see that. And if you like this type of content, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So yeah, pound is very strong, guys. Yeah, this thing is flying. The market is flying. Pound is actually flying, guys, like seriously flying. But yes, along the way, we're going to have some sort of rejections. But when we check, we can easily see that our support is well respected. But the market, since it's moving away from that support, we can actually use 4 hours time frame. So you can easily see that the market is still aggressively pushing to the upside. I think yesterday we were around this area. Now, obviously, early in the morning, the market started to, maybe since yesterday, the market started to push to the upside. We thought maybe the market was going to give us a nice reversal before maybe we see a push. But since the market is actually on that aggressive push, we see that it's still actually pushing to the upside. Yes, this might give actually the market a room for a reversal. The market can have a very nice room to reverse. You see, if the market is pushing up like this, is good, and if you buy in, that's great. But remember, the market, one way or another, is still going to give us those type of reversals. So sorry, let's go on gold, guys. Let's go on gold. Gold just broke out. Gold just broke out. So let's just check this. We are actually on a 4 hours time frame. Let me show you on a daily time frame just to see what's really happening. We can easily see that the market, guys, the market is now breaking out of this. It's very strong, by the way, out of this strong support. I was expecting the market to push the upside, and you know what? It seems like I was actually wrong, as their statement it's actually not good. They're still signaling that they're going to increase the rates. So what we see is we see the market breaking out there. I think we're gonna have a very nice sell. If maybe this sell is going to continue, we're gonna still wait for very few candlesticks or sort of reversal, because if you don't really wait for proper reversals and stuff like this, gold, it's crazy, guys. It can just turn very quick. So we don't really want to get caught in that. Actually, we don't really want to get caught in the move. But I think it's quite straightforward. Sorry, guys, I'm not going to actually cut that. I sneeze too much, especially early in the morning. We have sinuses. This soup that we use, bath soap, they smell too much, so we end up having some sinuses. So, anyways, on gold, as I was still here on the breakout, we can see very well that the market respected that area several times. You can see that the market respected that area several times. Now it's where we can see a proper breakout. So, but the best thing is, it's also good to wait for a retest before, because mostly it will happen. Let's wait for a retest before we jump on that sell. This is gold, can just jump very quick, very quick. Within 10 minutes it will be back here. So let's make sure that we can see a retest. Obviously, with this breakout, I don't actually have any issue. I can see it's a pure breakout. So, but we can wait for this 4 hour candlestick to close, or if maybe we go on 1 hour, obviously we're gonna get something there. But I'm hoping for a nice retest before we continue. If it's a downtrend, we know very well trends last longer, so we're not going to miss anything. So if trends can last for 6 months, it means this is going to be just few candlesticks. So it's better for us to wait for the retest. I hope you understand that. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening? What's really happening on US30? US30? Is it obvious? Is it obvious? Let's go on daily. Let's go on a daily time frame and try to see. So the question is this obvious, guys? It was this obvious or not? Because you can see that the market started from this area. The second time we see that the market also respected. We see there, here also. So this one was obvious, because even early in the morning, I think I did talk about this before FOMC. Before FOMC. So the question is the market, that's the structure was obvious, that maybe the market, even if they cut or even if they pause the rates, the market was still going to respect that. It seems like that, because now it shows that whether there was economic news or not, but this technical structure makes sense. So it means like even if maybe you did not check the news, you were still going to get it right. You see, so which is something that I actually like, you see. So now, as we are actually on a daily time frame, we can easily see that we have 2 candlesticks. I can say it's one actually, bearish. Then the other one, it's second one, which is did not close. So it shows us that the market can do what? It can continue pushing lower. So when can we start to sell? Let's go on a smaller time frame, Firstly, we'll start with 4 hours time frame. So for me to say now, guys, let's jump on the sell. Obviously, we will send that in the group. For me to say that, I will wait for the market to break. You see this resistance there. I will wait, or let's say a support. I will wait for the market to break it. Then you know what? We're gonna jump on that sell. We know it's gonna be bit of a long term. You see that? If it breaks. If not, maybe the market will find its support here and start to push the upside. But I'm just waiting for a downtrend. I think the market has confident pushing to the lower side as it respected that resistance that has been there actually for quite some time. Do you see that? So on NASDAQ 100, what's really happening? Please, guys, know that for those who actually wants to join, oh, okay, this one is not going to do. So for those who wants to join my team, you can join my team for $99. Actually, this is a special. You're saving $200. This is lifetime VIP signals. VIP signals. It's lifetime you pay once. So I think I'll be stepping back from mentorship. Guys, hey, I don't really have enough time. So I'll be stepping back. I'll just continue with whoever that I have. Then we can just continue. But you can just join VIP signals. I'll show you other like services, but you can check on my description. It's fine. So what's really happening actually on NASDAQ? We can easily see that the market is pushing to the upside, and it's been doing that for quite some time now. You see, the market has been pushing up for quite some time. So yesterday, things were very nice because we thought maybe the market was about to jump to the upside, as they did actually pause with the rates. But guess what? The market came from, let me change the size of that, came from this area, pushed a little bit lower, and I told my people they can scalp it. We were online, by the way. You can go check that. We were here online. So we saw the market trying to push up. It seems like now the market wants to push a little bit lower, but I'm still expecting a very nice push to the upside. So we have this area as a reference of support, and maybe I can adjust this and say maybe we can have something like that as the market is struggling to break that area. So I think enough update will be done during our live session. So for now, it's time to take care of my people in the group. It's time to check for signals and send them in the group. So I will see you later on during our live session. We have something. We have something here. Let's see. Today is what? It's Thursday. So on Thursday, what do we have? We have, okay, 2:15, we have interest rate for Europe. It seems like they're going to increase the rates. That is going to be fun. We'll see that. I think I'm going to go on live session around 2 then. Then you can be here. I see unemployment claims and retail sales 2:30. So we also have something that we can actually go and check today. So it's actually not bad. Also, we have 2 actually. So that's really good. So I think we're going to check them. I think before 2 or around 2 exactly, we'll be going live. So don't forget to smash that notification button so that you don't really miss any update that I'm going to actually post on this channel. So this channel is very great because of you. Don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo. See you on the next one. See you later on, guys. See you later on. Bye.